Good morning. It is 9:20, June 13, 2024, and today gonna be trading uh TopStep Combine and Apteros account. Now today temp is grade B. I got home after work, went straight to bed. I didn't wake up until 8:40, so prep feels a bit rushed today. I'll slow down and make sure I have all my hypos properly mapped. So I just finished out mapping my hypos, and we're gonna go ahead and go through them. Yearly through weekly are all overextended. However, I'll remain bullish until the market changes condition. If price scales down to value area high 19538 and respects the level, I will enter for a long to market high 690.75. The stop beneath 465.25 or hammer if it is presented. If price closes below value area high and respects under the level, I will enter for a short down to value area low with stop above previous high. If price closes below value area low and respects under the level, I will enter to the next CVA. Stop above the previous high. If price sets for if price sets up for a return pullback after breaking below value area low, I will enter for a buy after a clear rejection. Stop beneath the last low. Target the value area high. So let's break all that down on TradingView because it'll be simpler. So I'm looking for price to get down to this value area essentially, right? So first opportunity, if price comes here, gives a rejection here, I'll look for a buy all the way to this high and set my stop beneath either this low here, or if a new low is presented, I'll set it here. Or if the hammer is presented here, right? Not too interested in a dip below and then a return or a breakout pullback. But if that does occur, we'll consider as scenario one. And what that means is price dips below and the price doesn't respect below price. Doesn't respect below, actually breaks back above. And then we get a pullback here. Now, for the short idea, it's price breaks, retests, respects, and then comes down to this low. Then we got another short if we break beneath this low, this value area low, test that level, and then continue pushing down. And then also looking for a potential buy setup if this were to happen. Just targeting that value area high. Okay. So those are the scenarios for the day. We will wait 5 minutes for market open and see what we can do today. So price just reached the level that I was looking for to reach. First setup we're gonna look for is a buy. I want to see a hammer form here. If that forms, I'll go ahead and enter for the buy and target this high here. We are on Sierra chart. All right. And just so we're prepared, let's go ahead and start to set these parameters. So looks like I'm not gonna get an entry off of this candle. Um, Alternatives are a 3 bar reversal pattern, a double top formation, taking out this low that was just created, and entry off of that, off a failure of the low. And these are buy scenarios. So that's what I'll wait for. So we got a 3 bar reversal pattern. Went ahead, enter off of that. Set my stop beneath the reversal pattern. Looking for price to reach those highs. We have some levels to break as price continues to push up. I'm gonna go ahead and mark those levels out. If we do break above 84, I will look for a. I will enter a limit at the. No, that's too close to price. Yeah, that's not reasonable. It's too close to my first entry, so it wouldn't be worth it. The first ad would have to be 13.25. And if I do get stopped out, I am still looking at that double bottom. If we get failure of the previous low, I'm interested in taking that opportunity again. And I still have the TopStep account, so I'm not trading TopStep today. But I'm thinking I'll just reset it. I only have $200 worth of risk, and I'm planning to just reset the account. So, and just try again. I could grind it out, but I think it would be worth it to just reset it. So I got stopped out with half an hour loss and looking to see if price gets back to the top of value area high around 40s. And I'll look to execute again if we take out that low and fail. Otherwise, I will just be sitting on my hands waiting for the next opportunity. It's time to review the day. It is um an A day today. I graded today an A, and we'll see why. I took just one small loss, just one trade today. Lost $150 and took a proper setup today. So we already went over the temp at 9, grading an A because I took no action. Price was consolidated for an hour and still waiting for scenario 1 and scenario 2 to set up. I was enticed by a selling opportunity, but I decided not to take it because I didn't plan it out. And I remembered yesterday taking trades that I did not plan, and I didn't want to I didn't want to do that again today, so I made sure I didn't. Then 11 to 12. This was actually from 10 to 11 that I did this review. So let's just go ahead and change that. Okay. Grading the A also. Price setup scenario 1, and I entered long. This happened during hour 10. I adjusted stop after price went above level 1, 55.84. Price then stopped me out of the position for a half hour loss. I'm interested in a breakout pullback to go long again at 538. On cumulative delta, it shows sellers are still very strong and buyers are also aggressive in the area. I would like to see the previous low 535 be taken out, then for price to form a breakout pullback for a long add value area high mentioned in scenario 1. I fell asleep at the desk during this hour. I will set an alert at value area high to wake me up when price is ready. I'm going to lay down and get some more rest before work. So I went ahead and lay down
and I didn't get back up. um, so I missed that opportunity that came, and I went ahead and put in the missed trades. But what did I do for the day? I executed scenario one after a morning star entry signal. I placed stop beneath the pattern instead of beneath the planned low, 463.50. If the pattern is going to be successful, price should not fall beneath the pattern low, 535. Adjustment was valid. I adjusted stop beneath 557 after price closed below above level one. Price then stopped me out. I prepped for another long setup variation of scenario one, but I slept through the opportunity. Had a small loss, but the day was a win. Did as planned and properly controlled everything I could control. So, properly controlled my risk. Nothing too crazy today. I only traded the Apteros account today, so and I went ahead and reset the TopStep evaluation. I only had $200 left. I thought it made more sense to actually give myself a better chance of succeeding by just resetting the account and take that. Um, no need to try to be a hero and then grind out that account. Just make it simpler for myself. So NQ easiest 3K that I could have made today was NQ limit at 583. This was I missed it because I was asleep. It was a breakout pullback that I planned uh, at 11, and it actually set up around 12:14, I think. What I learned and can improve on today: three highlights. I took planned setup scenario one. I control my risk very well. Only lost half an hour on the day. I stepped away from the screens when I realized I needed more rest. I was literally nodding at my desk today um, during that first hour and that second hour. I actually fell asleep here. And then after that review at 11, I went ahead and decided to go to sleep. Um, Two lowlights. I fell behind on my journal today. I need to update tags and screenshots. I missed DRC review time and worked on it at 4, like it's 4:55 right now, and need to adjust schedule to ensure I'm getting things done on time. So I need to make an adjustment in my schedule so I make sure I get these things done on time and get rest. Right. So sleep significantly impacts my performance. Duh. Notice that this past 2 days that I'm making poor decisions when I have a lack of sleep, and I'm more controlled, more patient, more focused when I have sleep. Right. I'll need to wake up a little later. I will test 8 o'clock instead of waking up at 6 to ensure I'm properly rested. I can start prep for the day the night before, so I'm not rushing prep in the morning. Um, so that's the plan. We got everything checked off for today, and that's the review. Let's go ahead and check out the trade for today. Skipped over that somehow. Let's just bring up Sierra chart. So this is a trade for the day. This is the morning star that happened, and I went ahead and entered off the close of that candle, and was looking for price to scale up to this high here, which I don't think we even got there. Even now, yeah, we haven't even got there yet. But I was anticipating a lot more aggressive movement here, but we had some strong sellers today and kept price pretty much consolidating for the time that I was on the chart. So this is the entry. This is where I moved my stop after price broke above this level here. One thing I could have done better here is wait for price to break this high instead of just waiting for it to break the level. Yeah, I'd say that would be a better that'd be a better decision. So as I wouldn't move my stop, I would have moved my stop here once this candle closed above this level here. So what price is that? 57675, and that would have given me a small profit on the day, very small, basically a break even trade. But what time was that? 11:30. So I was asleep by that time anyway. So I probably would have ended up as a full 1 hour loss if I had waited for that. Yeah. Let's see. So that's the DRC. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any comments, questions, or suggestions, comment below, and I will catch you in the next one.